Hello everybody, I'm Katie. I'm so excited to be working with you in our TED 394 class. I kind of went over my education journey in the actual discussion post, but the main reason I'm here is because in the last 3 years working in a middle school, I've really discovered my love for teaching, and I've really found that it's truly my calling. I have this way or knack or whatever you want to call it for connecting with students and being able to really help them. And that is reason enough for me to really want to dive in and become a teacher. I currently work with 7th grade special education students. So that's students with just any differing ability. And I absolutely love it. So that is what I really want to focus on. Get my elementary education degree and with a minor in special ed, and that's where I would like to put my focus when I graduate. I'm so excited to work with all of you, and I really can't wait to see what this class has in store for us. Thank you.